Alright, I'm going to show you how you can make your own infrared marker using two of these plastic cassette boxes and an infrared bulb. That you can get these at Radio Shack. This is just a little limit switch here, and a AAA battery holder. Alright, so first thing you have to do is you're going to have to weld the components together. Actually, I mean solder them down. So I'm going to take the limit switch, push that in there. And with the infrared bulb, remember the short end of the post, that's the short end, that's for the positive side, and the long end is what's going to be attached here, soldered there. I'm going to just bend that out of the way for now. And then this one, for the battery holder, the black wire goes into there, and then the red wire gets soldered here. So when you're all done, this is what it looks like. I'm using lock lift rug gripper tape really to hold things down in place as I solder. That's what that's for. Alright, so then after you do that, you're going to take these two boxes, and about maybe you're going to find the hinge side of it about 3/4 of an inch. Make a little line here. I'm going to do the same thing on this box as well. And polypropylene is a very soft plastic, so you can just cut along that line. And I'm going to cut that one and cut the second box up. Okay, then on the one end you're going to cut this piece like a triangle, and then you're going to cut it into a triangle again. And I'm going to snip that triangle piece off. This is where the bulb will stick out of. Okay, let me cut a little bit more off. There. Gotta have a little hole here. And to keep these wires from touching each other, we're going to use this product. It's called VHB tape, and it's a double-sided kind of tape, and I'm going to slide that right into here. And the other nice thing is that when I mount it inside my box, that gray tape will also stick on there. So I want to put it in there so that bulb sticks right out the end here. Push that in there and squeeze that. Next I'm going to stuff this all in. That box, and then the box that I just cut up, I'm going to put that over the top. But what I'll have to do is notch this guy out. So I'm going to snip this. And I'm going to cut a little notch here so the limit switch button will come through. And that back like so. Put that on top. looks good. Then we're going to use a product called Tommy Tape, and this is clear Tommy Tape. It's a silicone self-adhering tape. I'm going to wrap that around. What's nice is that it has no adhesive on it, and it's very easy when it comes time to changing the battery. And just going to snip off this end too. Okay, now I have some scrap acrylic or scrap cassette box here, and I have to cut off a little piece that's going to be pushing against it, my limit switch button. I think I want a little bit of a longer piece. And I can always trim it down later. And I will use a piece of this tape, which is a clear VHB tape, and it sticks to plastic very nicely. I'm going to stick that right about there. And I'm going to stick my little paddle. And notice I'm sticking it out about even with the bulb. And the reason is so that when I press on the table, I can get the click, 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 click. And that is my infrared marker. You can't see the bulb lighting up because your eye can't detect it, the light button. And that's how you make your own infrared. Okay.